Hi everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we'll take you on a quick tour of our star products, each designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Let's get started. This is our flexible LED module solution. We offer a variety of sizes with pixel pitches ranging from P0.9 to P4. They allow you to create uniquely shaped LED displays that go beyond the flat screen, adding a modern and stylish appeal. The back of each flexible module is equipped with high-strength magnets for easy installation onto the custom iron frames. The entire system supports front maintenance, making setup and servicing incredibly simple and fast. So picture this, an amazing LED sphere, a glowing cylinder, or any custom shape you can dream up. It's the kind of display that stops people in their tracks and opens up a world of new possibilities and profits for you. That's the power of our flexible LED technology. Ready for something you can actually work on? Check out our interactive floor LED screen. It works great indoors or outdoors. Check this out. Each module has 8 super responsive sensors that react in just 0.016 seconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. And don't worry about the weight. We've built it with 64 super strong support pillars underneath. It can handle up to 2.2 tons per square meter. The top mask is a special imported PC material. It's tough, waterproof, sleep-proof, and reduces glare, so it's built to last no matter where you use it. About the screen height, you can adjust it from 13 to 17 cm and install it flush with the floor or right on top. Imagine using this for an XR immersive experience in a shopping mall, at a trade show, or even in a bar. It's a total game changer for engagement. Need a screen that's literally plug and play? Say hello to our LED posters. We've got 5 awesome models to choose from, with pixel pitches from 1.25 to 2.5. Let me walk you through the lineup. LC60C. This is your go-to for great value. It does seamless splicing to create bigger screens. LC60CF. Love the LC60C but need portability? This one folds up. And the LC60S. Want to upgrade? The LC60S has better specs, and thanks to its aluminum cabinet, it has a super flat picture. LC60F. This is our high-end foldable poster. It's made of 4 sturdy die-cast aluminum panels, and you can serve it from the front. Now, the first 4 models are all the same grade size, 640mm wide by 1920mm high. And for the ultimate poster, meet the LC70. It's bigger, thinner, has a hard connection design, and can even be double-sided. All of them can come with a built-in NovaStar player. Just plug in USB, connect via Wi-Fi, or use HDMI cable. You can line them up for a big video wall in boardrooms, schools, or malls. It's that easy. Additionally, we will soon be launching a new product, a trifold poster. Stay tuned for more updates. Ready to create something amazing together? Reach out to us for a custom quote or consultation. Find all the details and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.